Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and I got the privilege of showing you this brand new 2026 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. White with a black gel coat stripe, got the isinglass enclosures up, coming around on the swim platform here. Here on the transom, this whole section here drops down in the water. Great place to hang out. Axios joystick. Here's our trim tabs over here. Here's the boat out of the sun. And let's not forget our windlass anchor. Here on the transom, we've got a stone or gray sea deck. Big storage compartment. Shore power cables, battery switches, a little more storage. Freshwater wash down here, so if kids are out all sandy, you can spray them off before they get on the boat. Got a remote there, pump out, gas. Got our grill, sink, isotherm refrigerator, trash can, stone interior, great wraparound seating, sunroof, of course dual Simrad screens, trim tabs, Axios joystick. Here's your helm seat. Moving down into the cabin, forward berth, and you've got a cushion that goes atop this table. This can be raised or lowered. These beds can pull together, and a nice size head. We'll move forward to the bow. You got the gray sea deck coming up. Speakers up front here, and then 3 adult-sized loungers. These headrests do go up. And of course, you do have the pop-down armrests. Many kids could be up here as well, depending on your comfort level. If you'd like to see this boat in person, give us a call, 573-365-5382. Ask for Jansen. Thank you, and have a great day.